decided kind of last minute to go to the two-stroke Extravaganza down south. I'm going to take this bike, the yellow bike. I'd like to take this bike, but I just haven't progressed far enough on it. And this bike that I just started up, which I converted back to 100% stock. Probably the way it should be on that one. That sucks. I have to go get this tire repaired, damn it. While the tire was getting fixed, the truck tire, I got this all set up. I'm on my way to the two-stroke Extravaganza. I happen to work right over there. This will be my home for the night. It's a very pleasant drive the whole way. Next stop is there. Looks like one more turn and I'll be there. Make that 2 more turns. There we go. A two-stroke car. So what is it and where did it come from?
It's a 1975 Turbine.
Ah.
If anybody make it engine-wise, is a 1931 DKW.
Yeah, well, I was right at half of it. DKW.
1931.
Wow.
Look at that. That is
Eastern Germany.
Really clean.
Every year, everybody comes out, we have a good time, ride over to Keith.
Dave let me share his shade tent here.
We already got our tickets. I go every year.
I'm going to do a walkthrough. It's still pretty early. Oh, there's another NSR. A couple of them. Nice. And that thing is cool. Got some merchandise for sale here.
But last year, remember you guys said you guys were going to do it in May. Yeah, so I thought it was already open. No. We made it here in 2 hours.
Another 500 with Carrozziera wheels, like my wheels, but they're gold. Those are really pretty wheels. A lot of dirt bikes here.
Next time we bring it down.
Oh, okay, okay.
When he does all the UK, all the ones you see in the UK.
These little folding suitcase Hondas.
It's a really cool two-strokes.
This is TM Racing
Really huge in
300.
Italy. Just like Beta, just like...
There's RZ 500 row over here. There's 4 of them right here. You made it back this year.
Thank you, sir. Glad to be here. 4 miles from my house.
Are you kidding me? I'm about 400.
Yes, thank you for coming.
Cheater.
Good event. I don't know who puts it on, but a great event.
It is a great event.
Yeah.
That's a great bike.
Thank you, sir.
This dude's got some pretty cool Wicked parts on here. Cylinder head, probably came from Wicked. Those billet manifolds and the carburetor float bowls. Pretty nice, looks really good. Well, we have a celebrity. I believe that's Jay Leno driving that car. Yep, it's Jay Leno. Look at the crowd. How come they don't do that for me?
Got me in 2 minutes. You guys were ready an hour ago. Right?
Okay, show's over. It was another very good show. Till next year, maybe? I think it's around 8 p.m. And that's 10 hours, 44 minutes of truck time. 312 miles times 2, so 624 miles round trip. Yeah, you can't see in there. I'm going to put these 3 motorcycles away. Maybe leave the trailer out here, or I'll pull it into the backyard. Leave the truck out.